More efficiency, less consumption. Imagine a pump so intelligent, powerful, and efficient that it takes water supply to a whole new level. Introducing the Pedrollo DG-PED 5 booster pump. Single-phase 1.5 horsepower is built for ultimate convenience. No extra control equipment is needed. Designed and manufactured in Italy, it delivers up to 120 liters per minute and pumps water up to 55 meters high. Here's where it gets even better. The DG-PED 5 is a variable speed pump, meaning it automatically adjusts pressure based on demand. The result? Consistent water pressure for users, lower energy consumption, and optimized performance at all times. It is equipped with pressure tank, pressure and flow sensors, and a check valve. It can handle up to 5.5 bar of pressure and operates smoothly in temperatures up to 40 degrees centigrade, both for the environment and the fluid itself. Ultra quiet and designed for silence, this pump works discreetly, making it perfect for residential, commercial, and industrial application. Installation? It's a breeze. Self-priming so it starts effortlessly. Built-in protection against dry running, overload, and low voltage. Water-cooled, making it ideal for areas with limited ventilation. From urban green spaces and industrial facilities to high-rise buildings, airports, and hospitals, the Pedrollo DG-PED 5 is the ultimate solution for smart water management. Quality, performance, and innovation, brought to you by FUMCO. Contact your experts today for more details.